असं दाबलं जातं. ओके, सो दिस इज टाईट पिअर्स करायचं. वन साईड आतमध्ये गेलं. सेकंड टेक दिस. गेलं. So you have to press it, cork. Press it and little push it. Okay, now the cork is perfect inside.
Fantastic, yes.
So now, and for this, now the second step is take the bamboo and push it a little near the mouthpiece.
Right.
Okay. Now you can see this. It is visible, and just 1 or 2 mm the cork should come.
Yes.
So this is, and now I'll just play and I'll show you.
Awesome.
So this is the mouthpiece and this is the shank. So this is creating the. It is the E lower bass.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Now